Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube class once again. Today I am going to explain a very important topic of macroeconomics, that is double counting. In national income estimation, most of the time there is a chance of committing a mistake called double counting. And this is in fact a problem of estimating national income. Now what is double counting? Double counting can be defined as, while estimating national income, sometimes the value of intermediate goods are also included. That leads to the problem of double counting. It means, while estimating national income, only the value of final goods and services are to be included. We are not supposed to include the value of intermediate goods, but sometimes due to some misconception, the value of intermediate goods are also included in national income, and that leads to overestimation of national income, and that should be avoided. That should not be there. So there are two ways how we can avoid this problem of double counting. So it can be seen here, this double counting is having one solution, that is either we will have to take the value of final goods only, that is while estimating national income, we must take the value of only the final goods, or we should use the value added method. So here this one is quite easy, we will take the value of final goods only, and second one is little complicated, but this one is more useful, because which one is final good? To take the value of final goods, which one is final good? That becomes a problem, because if I give you one example, that is sugar cane and sugar, which one is final good? If I talk about sugar cane may be final goods for me, because if I peel off the sugar cane and chew it out, so it will be final goods for me. And on the other hand, if sugarcane is used for production of sugar, then sugarcane will become intermediate goods and sugar will be final goods. So it is a confusing term. So we prefer the use of value added method. So I am going to explain the value added method to you with the help of one example. Here I am going to explain the value added method with one imaginary example. Here, first I have taken a farmer is producing wheat, and I have assumed that the farmer has produced wheat worth rupees 1000, because he has sold all the quantity of wheat that he has produced at rupees 1000 in the market to the miller. Miller has purchased it from farmer at rupees 1000, and here it is also assumed that the farmer's cost of production is 0. That is, he was having seeds of his own and he has produced wheat of rupees 1000. The miller has purchased wheat from the farmer and has produced flour and has sold it in the market at rupees 3000. Now the baker has purchased flour from the miller at rupees 3000 and has produced bread and has sold it in the market at rupees 6000. The retail seller has purchased the bread from the bakery and has sold it in the market at rupees 10,000. Now the question is, wheat, flour, bread, or the retailer's service, what will be included in national income? If we include all the values, wheat, flour, bread, and the retailer service, all these things, then total value will be 20,000. So if we think that our national income is 20,000, we are committing a mistake of double counting. So actual value we'll have to find out, and the actual value we can find out by the formula value added. Value added is equal to value of output minus intermediate cost. In the initial stage, value of output is 1000 rupees. The value of wheat is 1000 and intermediate cost is 0, because we have assumed that the cost of production of the farmer is 0. So he is getting 1000. The farmer has added a value of 1000 rupees in the market, in the production. Then the miller, what is his value of output? He has sold flour at rupees 3000. So he has added, his value added will be 3000 minus intermediate cost of 1000, because he has, during his production function, he has spent 1000 rupees and that is his intermediate cost. So he has added value of 2000. He got 2000 rupees. Next, the bakery owner has produced bread of rupees 6000. His intermediate cost is 3000. So here he has added a value of 3000 rupees. Next, The retailer has purchased the bread at rupees 6,000 and sold it at 10,000. So he has added a value of 4,000, that is 10,000 minus 6,000 equal to 4,000. So there are four stages in this production process up to final production, and we will have to calculate at each stage the value added is 1,000, here it is 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. If we add up all the value added, we will get 10,000. So we will add 10,000 in national income. That is, at each stage, here we will include 1,000, 2,000. In each stage, whatever value has been added, it will be included in national income. This is one method. Or the alternative one, that is include the value of final goods only. So this one is the value of final goods, 10,000. So this value will have to be included. So there are two solutions of double counting. That is, either take the value of final goods or use the value added method.